Hey everybody, and welcome
to this video.
Yeah.
So we thought we wanted to make a little video with our dog. Her name is Troja.
Oh, darling.
Say hey to the camera. She's really cute. It's just hard to get her to look at the camera.
Okay, let me just real quick take
Yeah.
it and then This is Freya. Sweetie, that's you.
We love her so much. She's so adorable. Like, look at her face.
You're like
She's a big part of her family, and she's like a sibling to us. She is actually like a combination of a Labrador and a Border Collie. She looks a lot like I don't know what it's called, like a shepherd. She looks a lot like a shepherd, but she's actually like a Labrador.
Now she's like,
She's just really It's also Friday, so
Friday
nice.
weekend.
yeah. Yeah, this is our dog, Troja. As we said, she is like 7 months. Sorry about the noise, like the background noise. It's just my mom's just cleaning, so that's why. Anyways, I think we're gonna end the video now. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in your next video.
Yes, can you say bye?
Can you say bye?
And please subscribe.
Yeah.
And hit the like button if you like.
All those things.
Yeah. Or dislike if you don't like it. That is
Yeah.
okay. You can dislike if you're commenting why you're disliking.
Okay, well, it's getting really noisy here, so I think we're gonna end the video.
Yeah.
And say thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, bye guys.
Yeah, bye.